Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable ads in Brave browser on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Brave settings, click on this one Shields in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find under Shields section, Trackers and Ad Blocking. Select a standard option to disable ads in Brave browser, and in case you want to enable ads, select this one option Disabled, and then close the Brave browser and reopen to apply these changes.